drowning in credit card statements, and unsure how to get those transactions into QuickBooks Online correctly? No worries. In the next minute and a half, I'll show you the easiest way to enter those pesky credit card charges, making reconciliation a breeze. First, navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where you connect your bank and credit card accounts. If your credit card isn't already connected, click Add Account and follow the prompts to link it to your QuickBooks Online. Once connected, your transactions will automatically import. This saves tons of time and reduces data entry errors. Now, let's deal with those imported transactions. For each transaction, QuickBooks will try to match it to existing entries. If it finds a match, simply click Match. This is ideal for bills you've already entered. If there's no match, you'll need to categorize the transaction. Click on the transaction to expand it. Choose the appropriate category from the category drop-down menu, such as office supplies, marketing, or travel. Next, you'll want to add a vendor. Start typing the vendor name, and if it already exists in your system, select it. If not, click Add New to create a new vendor. This is crucial for tracking expenses and running accurate reports. Finally, review all the details: the date, the description, the category, and the vendor. Once you're happy, click Add. The transaction is now officially recorded in QuickBooks Online. Repeat this process for all your credit card transactions. By following these steps, you'll ensure your QuickBooks Online records are accurate, up-to-date, and perfectly reconciled. Now you can get back to running your business with confidence.